Hi everyone, welcome back to another informative videos on SolidWorks. Hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show how can we create off-centered toroid using sweep feature in SolidWorks. So basically toroid has its applications various industries. So for those of you who don't know what a toroid is and its applications are, let me tell you, let me move on to the next slide. Toroid is actually a component which is found in medical devices, telecommunications, musical instruments, industrial controls, refrigerating equipments, aerospace industries and nuclear fields, and even air conditioning equipments and amplifiers. So as you can see in the image, a toroid typically looks like that with copper coils attached to it. So without wasting any further time, let us see how we can create a normal toroid and an off-centered toroid in SolidWorks. So let me open SolidWorks. Go to part, select the top plane and sketch in the top plane. Draw two circles with some center distance. Another circle with some center distance. You can maintain any center distance like 10 mm or according to your off center things, and go back. Now draw a circle perpendicular to this plane. So choose front plane and go to sketch. So now you can see front plane is perpendicular to top plane. Draw a circle. Select the center point of the circle and the outer circle and give a Pierce relationship so that it will go through it like this. Place another point on the circle, select that point and control select this inner circle and give Pierce relationship. Now you can see how the circle diameter has been decided. Go back. Now the sketch to create a off-centered toroid is ready. Now go to features and sweep boss base. Select this circle as a profile and right click in this selection bar for the path. Choose selection manager. Make sure it is in the select group and select the outer circle. Click OK. So this is the normal toroid, circular toroid. So let us see how we can create a off-center toroid. For that we have to go to guide curves, right click, selection manager, again choose this internal circle and click OK. So now you can see how we have given this internal circle as a guide curve to create this geometry. So this is how we create an off-centered toroid in SolidWorks. Hope you all like the video. Please like, subscribe and share the content with your community, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.